Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Glam Doll Sherry, bringing you guys my everyday makeup routine. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Glam fam. Let's jump into the video. So of course, to begin guys, we're going to be starting off with a fresh face, and I'm going to go ahead and start with some moisturizer. I'll be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream Gel, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Bear With Me Primer. It's a nice jelly consistency, and it also helps when applying foundation to give it that smooth, flawless look. Next, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I don't overthink this step too much just because I get most of my shape with the concealer, but the whole point is to just go in and follow the shape of your eyebrows, or if you don't like the shape of your eyebrows, I guess you can always recreate a new look, but I definitely love following the shape of my eyebrows because it gives it a more natural look. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on the other side. And of course, watching the video now, I'm realizing that one brow is definitely a lot darker than the other. But again, it all comes together in the end. You just have to trust the process. So I got totally frustrated with the concealer, so I totally just skipped past that entire part. But don't worry, I will do a more in-depth video in the future showing you guys exactly how I do my eyebrows with the concealer. So anybody who's looking forward to that part, I do apologize, but better luck next time. So next I'm going in with my Maybeline Fit Me foundation. I don't know the color off the top of my head. I will leave it in the description box down below. So next I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer. I think the color is Mocha, don't quote me, but it'll be in the description box down below. And I'm just going ahead and putting that all over the spots that I want highlighted, which would be my forehead, underneath my eyes, my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm just using a damp beauty blender, guys, and I'm massaging it into my face, basically. I prefer using a damp beauty blender because I feel like it spreads the makeup out a lot better than a dry beauty blender, and it avoids leaving streaks. So I am dabbing away. I'm telling you, my arm hurts every time after I do this because I blend a lot. Blending is your best friend. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I believe in the color Deep, and I'm just using one of those dark shades and contouring. I am chiseling out my nose and my cheekbones. And I'm using a Real Technique brush to go ahead and blend that out. This brush is a little big for my nose. I actually use an eyeshadow brush to accomplish this, and it actually works super great and blends it out just fine. Next, I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. Now, I don't bake. I'm just placing it under the same areas where I put the concealer. And then right after I'm done applying it, I literally brush it off. I don't bake. I don't think I've mastered baking, so I'm not even going to bother. Now I'm doing my wing liner, guys. I absolutely suck at wing liner, and of course that's why I blocked the whole thing out. But I managed to get a little something done. I love the look of eyeliner, but I suck at it, so that's that. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Mist, and I am drenching the hell out of my face, y'all. It does wonders. And now I'm applying my lashes. Literally, this is what I do every single day, guys. It's super simple. There are definitely a lot of tips and tricks that I use, obviously not being shown in this video, to get everything to really come together and look super flawless. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I will definitely drop those gems for you guys, because I'm telling you, it is a game changer. I'm adding a little bit of mascara to my lashes. Now I'm attempting to add some mascara to the bottom lashes I do not have, but it makes me feel good to do it, so I'm doing it anyways. Now to bring some life to my face, I'm adding a bit of bronzer to bring some color to my face, because of course the setting powder can make you look a little ashy. Now I'm going in with a NYX lip liner. I'm going to give myself like a soft nude lip. And then I'm going in with my NYX lip stain, or whatever it is. I don't even know. I'll leave that in the description box. And of course, I'm going to add another color. So because the inside of my lips are really pink and they show, I'm just going to use this light color that kind of helps it blend and not leave that gross line in my mouth. So I'm just going to use my finger, tap that in. And here you have it, guys. This is the final look. This is my everyday makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.